We have so many workshops for the practical experience. There's always something going on down here. When it comes to the physical side, endless opportunities, I would say. This course, the first years or full times, most of the students think once they come here, they have to get everything right the first time. It's like, no, just come on in, have a go, see if you like it. And if you don't, no dramas. Let's go do it.
Yeah, so this is just obviously small scale, letting them have a go at every sort of component that they would do within an industrial setting. So it's all relative to the industry that they're going into.
You're learning stuff every day as you go. It gives you that bit of confidence boost, because although you do like sometimes make a mistake, Graham's here to help you out.
We've got a guideline from EAL that we stick to, but we go above and beyond. We teach them the real life stuff that they're going to know to help them within the industry.